like, I don't want to say the word bad, but it's kind of bad, you know, because it's still gonna hurt your skin at some point. But yeah, just to be on the safe side, just like an allergy trigger, just because you're very allergic to stuff. But you can also use this to mix and match and create like your shade of lips, lips and lipsticks and blushes and all that stuff. Let me see, what else am I missing so that you guys could see. I think that's it. I guess I'll just be showing it. Eyebrow gel. So let's get started. Oh, I'm nervous because I feel like I don't want to mess it up. So what you could do is like comb your eyebrows first, like this, and your lashes. My eyelashes grew too. Deeper. I feel like this is like a fun little DIY with like if you have kids, you know, if you have daughters, you could do that like when they're like little, and you could just be like, hey, let's make our own little makeup and do like when they do like little sleepovers or stuff like that, or like or like a girls spa night with your daughters. This will be like perfect because they could eat their makeup, which is cute. Of course, I mean they could eat it if it's like the aloe is edible, but if it's not, don't. So that's way more natural than um stuff. And then to if you want to tone it down, like tone down your, if you have a lot of oil on your skin, um or you just want like a mattified look, grab the cornstarch again and again with the